Hi guys, so I have some happy mail and it is from my new crafty friend Ebony, and her Instagram her name is just so cute. Oh my gosh, but it's Ephemera, like ephemera, but like Ephemera. Anyway, I will put the link to her Instagram. She does not have YouTube yet. I don't know. I always want everybody to be on YouTube because I'm just like, we want to like hear you. I know you guys can't see me, but you know, you can hear me. But anyway, she is so sweet. I'm almost certain that we're kindred spirits because oh my gosh, we like so much of the same stuff. And like she'll post stuff. We have the same like dry humor. I don't know. I'm just like so excited. This is why I love YouTube and why I love crafting, because I just have met such amazing people. And I was just talking to Beck, who's Beck's Crafting World 2, who if you're not following, she does have a YouTube channel. You need to. About how like amazing it is that like crafting has brought so many of us together. So anyway, okay, let me stop the mushy stuff because I will go on forever. But she sent me happy mail. So she did reach out to me and tell me that she found one of the some of the Walmart. She watched my like rant on my Walmart haul and found some of the things I was looking for, those like, you know, bag clip things. So I know that's in here, but then she put some other stuff in here because it's not just that. It can't be. And I was like, girls, tell me, you know, what to pay for shipping. And actually, while we're on this topic, one of you, gosh, I can't remember the name, like the exact username, but it's something about an RV, also found this and keep like leaving comments, and I keep replying to the comments, and I think you're like, YouTube is not showing you my replies. So if that is you, I know you watch all my videos, go back to the comments that you left and look at the bottom of them, because I would love for you to DM me on Instagram because I can't get in contact with you otherwise. Okay, this is turned into something else. But anyway, okay. Enough of the church announcements. Let's get into this. Look how cute it's wrapped, you guys. Oh my gosh. I love pomp and circumstance. Like, give me a bow. Also, guess who's keeping this ribbon? Me to use. Like, there's no chance I'm throwing away this ribbon. No, this is good ribbon. Okay, I'm going to be keeping this. Thank you so much, Ebony. Okay, so let's get into this. Look how she wrapped it. Oh, she's fancy. Okay, sometimes by the time I have stuff to wrap right now, and sometimes by the time I'm done. Okay, everything's getting thrown in the box. So sorry. But this, see-through they are. Oh gosh, you guys, I have looked for these an ungodly amount of times. Okay, too many times. She put them in she put a little thing behind it. Because look how freaking cute they are. Gosh. Oh my gosh. They're even cuter in person. I've never seen them in person. But look out. They're the perfect size too. Oh my gosh. I love them so much. Originally, I can tell you guys this now because I'm about to post this video. But originally when I wanted these, it's because I was doing Beck Swap and I wanted this to be my clipboard, like my little thing. But I'm like, I gave up. I'm like, I'm never going to find them ever. Because I wanted this to be like my little clip for the clipboard, right? Wouldn't that have been so cute? But alas, I will find something else to do with this, okay? I might make myself another clipboard. But these are so cute. Ugh, I'm going to like just think of all the ways to use these. They're so cute. She only found one, and I am so grateful that she found any, because I was starting to believe they didn't exist. I was, because that and the yarn that Gina said from Scrapinology that she found in those other colors, because I'm like, they only have red at my store. They don't have pink. They don't have teal. Thank you, Ebony. Oh, I can't believe I have some. I have a notification on Walmart, like, to let me know if they come back in stock. And when I click on the picture of it, the whole thing disappears. Okay, they don't even have a page for it anymore. I went to the website, can't find it. I'm sure there's probably somebody selling it for something crazy on Mercari, but these are like $5 in real life. So like, can't bring myself to do it. Okay, anyway, there's more stuff here. Okay. Ooh, she has good handwriting. Oh my gosh, she has good. Look at this. What's crazy is she has an address label on here, and I thought she printed it, but this is her actual handwriting. Oh my goodness. Oh, we don't play it as a game. We just read it in the car. We also have kids like she has a son that's one of the ages as my son. So I just feel like We just have so much in common. Oh my, how sweet is this? Honestly, you guys, the weight of my heart is through my kids because obsessed is an understatement. I am obsessed with my children. I am. In a healthy way, I guess. Maybe, maybe not. Laugh out loud holiday games. My boys are going to love this. So it's Would You Rather. Oh my gosh, they're going to love this. Oh, this is so sweet. Look, would you rather help Santa deliver gifts in his sleigh or spend the day in his workshop? Give me the workshop, because can I sit down if I'm at the workshop? Because delivering gifts sounds like a lot of work. Would you rather sleep in a room surrounded by evil nutcracker dolls or scary elves? Ooh, Lord, neither. I would like to do neither. This is so fun. And my kids and I today, when I'm recording this, is December 2nd. I just picked this up from my P.O. box. This is so cute and so up my alley. So we every year we go through like an Advent calendar, and we read a book that we've been doing Advent since my oldest, who's 13, was a baby. Basically, we've been reading stuff to him and doing Advent. Every year we do like a Advent calendar of some sort because we are Christians and we do believe in the reason for the season. Okay, but this is going to be so fun. You know what I'm going to do with this? I know exactly what I'm going to do. At the end of our Advent reading, I do gifts for the kids, and we read my baby, the 5-year-old. When we've been doing this also, we collect a new book every year, and we also read like a story, like a fun story, you know, best Christmas pageant ever, something like that. And I'm going to add this because they love it. And we do it at nighttime, like bedtime. So like everybody's extra giggly. It's really a sweet time. And I am going to add this, and they're going to crack up. They're going to like, this is so up our alley. Ebony, thank you so much. I didn't even know about this. Like, and I'm a book girl. Okay. I love all the books. This is so sweet and so kind of you. Oh my gosh, you guys, like I said, the Crafty community is just the best. Oh, would you rather go to an amusement park with the gang from Charlie Brown Christmas or Muppet Christmas Carol? Hello, the Muppets. Miss Piggy. Me and Miss Piggy get along just fine. This is so fun. Gosh, this is so fun. I love this so much. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Thank you. And we can use this for many, many, many years to come. So, this is just so sweet. Oh my gosh, Ebony, thank you so much. Of course, this lady's a middle school teacher because this is literally, she knows kids. And then there's still more. Oh my gosh. Why did I not know that she found the other set? Did I not realize this? Did she not tell me this? You guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this. These are so cute. Oh gosh, you guys look. I have them in my possession. I know I told you guys that I wanted multiples of these, but I'm so happy to have one. I'm just so happy to be able to have one of these because where have they been all my life? Truly. Cook with Color. I don't know when they came out, but they have been doing a whole lot, and they are very good. They make good stuff, like cute stuff, the stuff we want. So I'm so happy. Ebony, thank you. I can't thank you enough. I really can't. And I am just so grateful for you. I'm so grateful for our burgeoning friendship. And gosh, you guys, crafty friends are really the best kind. So anyway, make sure you go and follow Ebony. She's like look at her handwriting, okay? She's like a journaler, crafter, like we like the same kind of things. Like she's a hybrid, and so am I actually. I don't share a lot. I shared this, my little shaker Christmas planner, but before this became a shaker, I needed this planner, which is why I had to hurry up and do that. It's surreal. I am a planner girl to my core. I have been long before the planner craze, and I rode the planner wave and did all the planner things, and then I slowed down a little bit and put more of my time and efforts into crafting, and now I'm just like very much a functional planner, but I still appreciate it, all the things. So go over there and follow Ebony because I just know I don't know, it's funny, her channel is new. I think I actually found out about her from Tony, who is Crafts Purge, and I think when I went over there, I don't even know how many subscribers she had. Not a lot. She has a lot more now, but she is just, yeah, I just can't wait to see all the things that she's going to do. I just have a feeling that it's going to be all kinds of things that I love. So go and follow Ebony. Ebony, thank you so very much. And you guys, I will see you in my next video. Okay? Bye.